The rising popularity of mechanical keyboards highlights how users appreciate precision, comfort, and long-lasting performance. Similarly, cooking enthusiasts and pizza makers demand the same level of precision when it comes to temperature control. List none. The ThermoPro TP450 dual laser temperature gun is an excellent choice for pizza ovens, offering precision and wide temperature coverage. With a measuring range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, it can handle everything from dough proofing to high-heat pizza baking. The dual laser system improves accuracy by pinpointing the exact target area, ensuring consistent readings. Its backlit LCD screen allows easy visibility even in dim light conditions. A standout feature is the adjustable emissivity, which ensures better accuracy on different surfaces, whether stone, metal, or ceramic. The ergonomic design and durable build make it suitable for both home chefs and professionals. For pizza lovers who demand reliability, the ThermoPro TP450 is one of the most trusted thermometers for consistent baking perfection. List 2. The Kizen LaserPro LP300 infrared thermometer is designed with versatility in mind, making it ideal for pizza ovens and beyond. This thermometer measures temperatures from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it captures the high heat needed for authentic pizza baking. Its single laser targeting system is user-friendly, and the bright digital display provides quick, easy-to-read results. One of its strongest features is the fast response time, delivering temperature readings in less than half a second. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to handle during busy cooking sessions. It also comes with a built-in auto shutoff to save battery life. Whether you're baking Neapolitan pizza at 900 degrees Fahrenheit or checking oven safety, the Kizen LP300 ensures accurate, fast. List number. The Etekcity infrared thermometer laser gun is a budget-friendly yet highly effective option for measuring pizza oven temperatures. It features a wide range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1130 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for handling high pizza stone and oven heat levels. The built-in laser targeting system ensures pinpoint accuracy, while the large backlit LCD makes reading results effortless. With a quick response time of less than 500 milliseconds, this thermometer is designed for efficiency. The adjustable emissivity feature provides precise readings across various surfaces, from cast iron pans to pizza stones. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it's comfortable to use for extended cooking sessions. Known for durability and reliable results, the Etekcity infrared. List number 4. The Etekcity 1080 infrared thermometer takes temperature measurement up a notch. With its extended range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. Specifically designed for cooking applications like pizza ovens, this model offers enhanced accuracy through its 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio, allowing precise measurements even from a safe distance. Its LCD display is clear and user-friendly, and the device responds in under 0.5 seconds, ensuring real-time accuracy during baking. The 1080 model also features an auto shutoff function to conserve battery life. Built with strong ABS plastic, it's durable enough to withstand frequent use in hot kitchen environments. Whether you're testing oven readiness or ensuring even stone heating, the Etekcity 1080 gives pizza makers. List 5. The Wintact infrared thermometer is a solid performer with a measurement range of -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 986 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for pizza ovens, grills, and general kitchen use. It features a precise laser pointer for targeted readings and a quick response time of less than half a second. The device comes with an easy-to-read digital LCD, complete with backlighting for use in dim conditions. Its emissivity settings are adjustable, which improves accuracy when working with materials like stone or steel. While its maximum temperature isn't as high as some models, it still performs reliably for most pizza baking setups. Compact and lightweight, the Wintact is easy to store and use, offering excellent value for money. For anyone seeking a practical, affordable,